Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. There will be 25 items to test your skills on the subject matter. Don't forget to answer on the comment section below. In your answer sheet, take note of the video ID. Here are the questions. Number 1. Is the number odd or even? Number 2. Is the number odd or even? Number 3. Is the number odd or even? Number 4. Is the number odd or even? Number 5. Is the number odd or even? Number 6. Is the number odd or even? Number 7. Is the number odd or even? Number 8. Is the number odd or even? Number 9. Is the number odd or even? Number 10. Is the number odd or even? Number 11. Is the number odd or even? Number 12. Is the number odd or even? Number 13. Is the number odd or even? Number 14. Is the number odd or even? Number 15. Is the number odd or even? Number 16. Is the number odd or even? Number 17. Is the number odd or even? Number 18. Is the number odd or even? Number 19. Is the number odd or even? Number 20. Is the number odd or even? Number 21. Is the number odd or even? Number 22. Is the number odd or even? Number 23. Is the number odd or even? Number 24. Is the number odd or even? Number 25. Is the number odd or even? Congratulations! Please don't forget to share this video to other Filipino children. This is free and this is my advocacy.